Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Canadian Thunderstorm. We have a thunderstorm rolling in. Apparently this one's pretty darn loud. I mean, if we could hear it from pretty darn far away, you know that crap's about to hit the fan. I got a Discord channel right now. That's K-Buff right there. So that's what K-Buff is showing. You guys can see the storm. That's Trenton. We are right there. So the storm's rolling in. I'm going to do radar again. And they got K-Buff right there. And then you just do that. And there you go. Look at that storm coming in. It's actually already starting to sprinkle right now. And there it is, everybody. If you guys have not seen my gaming channel here on Discord, make sure to check it out, you know. Oh, I got that. Okay. I do got a weather alert channel. I do upload my own weather alerts, but, yeah, it's not the very best. But, yeah, there it is, everybody. So, yeah, we got the National Weather Service right here. This is the main channel that we're probably going to be using a lot today. You guys can see those second line coming in as well. It's starting to rain now. It looks like sprinkling right now. But maybe I should get this camera under something, just in case if it starts actually downpouring, which I'm actually going to do right now. So. This under this, and then you guys can probably just watch the rainfall or something, you know. Look at the trees, guys. Look into the trees. You guys will be able to see the raindrops. Thunder's shaking up the house again. See if I could get a view to storm from here. Crap, no, I can't. Look at that cloud formation, though. That's kind of trippy. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back out again. So, well, if this camera gets soaked, it gets soaked. But, yeah, guys, this is my main, Yeah, there we go, guys. There's K-Buff and Buffalo. That's what the radar shows right now. You guys can see it. There's also some other radars. Pretty sure there's one near Albany. I can hear Brennan inside the house, aka the weather stream. I don't know why, but Brennan is always so loud. What's KFFC? What's KFFC? Oh, wait, that's Atlanta, ain't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Atlanta. Albany, New York. There it is, right there. Albany, New York. Let's see what it shows for parts of eastern Ontario. You just see a small snippet of it up there. Nothing right now. I just heard some thunder. Yeah, there it is, everybody. It's gonna go. That thunder real bassy, bro. Hey, is that a shelf cloud over there again? No way. There it is, everybody. The K-Buff radar frame. Let me zoom it in here. Right there, basically. Look at that system rolling in, y'all. Look at that one. Right there. Yeah, look at that thing rolling in right here. Right here. You guys can see that. I think it's time to get rolling. Listen to those cracks. You can hear the cracks. You can see the storm itself. Maybe I can actually capture a lightning strike on camera. Oh, and also, guys, let me know if you see any lightning strikes. Oh, I also hate having to mute the video, like halfway into it. Oh, I got a weather notification. Hold on. Moderate rain starting in 20 minutes, becoming intermittent over the next 2 hours. So off and on. Holy crap, why did it become so dark? There we go. I'm gonna make you guys look at that shelf cloud. If it even is a shelf cloud. It looks like one. It looks like one trying to form at least. I mean, it might not be a shelf cloud, but I'm gonna go check out what's up. No shelf cloud. I thought that was a shelf cloud, but no, it's not a shelf cloud. Not a shelf cloud. Nope. Trees are blowing though. Probably just blowing in the storm or something, you know. Look at that clear patch. You see how it's almost hazy because it's just raining so much over there? You notice that? Look at this. You see it right there? Yeah. Listen to that crack. I should probably open up lightningmaps.org and I can show you guys. I'm willing to bet those are all lightning strikes. All the cracks are lightning strikes, probably. Lightningmaps.org. My friend just pinged me like 5 times. Oh. I'm curious of why there's nothing. Oh. Never mind. Oh, yo. Wow. Nothing this direction though, so I'm curious. Why is it getting cold? It gets cold before every single storm, I swear. I'm gonna get that click sound. If I can. Click. Tick. See if you can get a tick. Where's a tick? Oh, it's down here. Wherever it is. I'm not sure where the tick is. I'm gonna just do it like right here. Or is that one going off? It's starting to get windy now. I don't know why he pinged me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He pinged me 6 times. Wait, no, it's times 6. So actually bro, he pinged me so many times. I was like, what? You can see right here. Yeah. Better screenshot it. Hold up. Hold up. What is that? If I can ask, what is that? You guys see that? Totally not suspicious. That does actually look like a funnel, kinda. So hopefully that's just a lowering, I'm gonna just still take a photo just in case and get that onto Ontario Storm reports. Gotta get up there, gotta get up there. It's coming up above me. Basie. I hear rain, but I don't see any rain. Or at least I just heard two things just go ping. Look at the rain system. It's like right up to like... Bro, why can't I go straight up? Bro, what? I thought I used to be able to go straight up. What? What happened to that idea? Okay. Guys, the rain system's like right up to like there. You guys can see it? It's like right there. So we'll have to find a spot to put the tripod in. I'll take down the flower too. I'll take down the flower. Right here. Hey, I think I just saw a lightning bolt. Okay, I posted that photo on Ontario Storm Reports. Not sure if my phone kind of got a mediocre picture of it. You guys can see it. Yeah. That might be a funnel cloud, but it might also be a scud. Oh, immediate admin approve. There it is, everybody. Ontario Storm Reports. There, everybody. I'm gonna take a look at lightning maps again. Let's take a look at that again. That one looked quite fierce. Wind. Yeah, there's not much going on right now around here. No, not much. Why the heck is there a Chinese ad? What? Is that Japanese or Chinese? Guys, so if anyone has a Chinese relative or a Japanese relative, let them know what that ad said. Probably a cell phone company in China or something, or Japan or something. I'm not sure. Oh, I feel rain again. Hunker down, I guess is what we say. We're around the time, too. Hunker down. There's a storm just to the south of us, too. You guys can see it. Right there. You guys can see it? You guys see it? It's like right here. There's another storm. Right here. Yeah. Interesting. Take a look at the National Weather Service again. K-Buff. Take a look at K-Buff again. I hear rain. Oh, yep, it is starting to rain. Okay. Time to get under something. This thing's about to roll in and probably rumble really loudly in just a few moments, so. I'm gonna just aim at those trees, because those trees a little while ago are. The other day they were blowing pretty good, you know? Yep, bring it on. Bring it on. Let it rumble. That funnel cloud dissipated quick. Starting to rain. Here we go, everybody. Starting to rain. Even though there's no winds at all. Okay, well, good thing the flowers are right there. I'm gonna go back under. Yeah. No way. I'm not getting struck by lightning. No. You know? Even though I'll probably still get so. Actually, kind of feels good, not gonna lie. Somebody's alarm just went off. I'm gonna bring that flower out. I'm gonna go sit right there. Yeah, guys, it's actually starting to rain pretty darn good. Not gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Make sure the phone's like completely covered in case of wind. Wind. Oh yeah, here comes rain. Now I'm gonna go up. Okay. I'm gonna go see the weather stream. We're still even working. They tracking this storm? Yeah. That was a pretty big one, isn't it? Okay, well, there's not much going on. They're just talking about severe weather stuff and a tornado in Caledonia, which is actually just southeast of Hamilton. You guys aren't getting wet, are you? Probably are. This guy's a rumbler, though. Hopefully it doesn't shake up the whole house. Bro, spider web is getting destroyed right now. Bro, spider web's getting destroyed right now, probably. It's starting to rain, so that means the mosquitoes are gonna be coming. Wish I could make it go any further, but I can't. This tripod's starting to get wet. Hopefully it doesn't get damaged. It shouldn't. Should be fine. But it's getting pretty darn wet out here, that's all I can say. I didn't even need camera in the first place. I'm already using that camera. Quite the bassy thunder, I ain't gonna lie. Their bikes are loud. Me just like yes. Hey guys, you guys see that downpour system right in front of you guys? It might actually be the downpour that we had. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna zoom out like right like is that so that you guys can face. So that you guys could just face right to the east. So that you yeah. I love how quiet it just got. Like, literally, it just went from, like, loud, rumbling thunder to pouring down rain and cars on the highway. There's some thunder. You... Look at the flower. Bro, it's like all dry around it. Like, not a singular gut on the flower. Literally. They say that that they didn't have much to look at for the storm, but there's nothing but absolute gray coming at us, which is probably rain. I ain't gonna lie. The storm's up there, so it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It is. It's like right up to like just behind me, kinda. Like you know when there's something above you, but it's like a little bit back behind you. That's what the storm is currently like right now. It's like above me, but like still a bit back. Well, it might be getting downpoured on in just a few minutes here, because the storm's pushing. I think it's actually pushing northeast, but we might still get it, regardless or not. In fact, we might even get the worst of it, because there's a hail core right now. Yeah, definitely thunderstorms. I'm telling you that right now. I'm not seeing thunder or hail. Probably up there. I'd imagine that thunder and hail is up there. Up north, of course. Yep, average. Bruh, what kind of system is this? What kind of system is this? And it looks like it moves out for the rest of the day. And it looks like more storms are pushing in later. Because there's Belleville right there. Holy crap! I saw that flash. Probably a lightning bolt nearby. It came from that way. Like right above the garage, basically. Kinda. Starting to rain again. Here we go again, guys. Here we go again. Did you guys see that flash, by the way? I'm not sure if you guys saw it. This camera is crap for bright flashes. You know what I can do? I'm actually just going to increase the brightness like this. And maybe you guys will be able to see the flashes better. Because you know the brighter the flashes are. You know? Look at that little cloud formation. That looks trippy. Looks trippy, you know? Look at that rain cloud right there. You see that blanket right there? All right there. It's emptying itself out. It's not really doing its very best now. Yeah, I think that lightning bolt is just running north of us. I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna check that out. Okay, it is raining again. Whoa, this system's a little messy. Whoa, look at this system coming behind it. That one looks nasty. Bruh, focus. Yeah, you guys see that system? That one looks nasty. Wow. That one behind it looks really nasty. That one's right over Belleville right now, by the looks of it. Wait, no. That's now. This is now. Okay, so yeah, it's just past Trenton, and it's on its way. So, yeah. I don't know why I'm so itchy. I don't know why my legs are super itchy today. I don't know what's going on with my legs. I just saw a bolt right above me. Alright. Time to go in. Nope, I'm not being out here in this thing. Nope, I'm good. I'm good. Bad chair. You're the one that prevented me from closing this screen. Damn, Brady. Storm time. I may or may not have just got a warning. Never mind. I didn't get a notification. I can confirm. Why is there now 3 warnings? Right there, everybody. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. Yep. Caledonia. Twisters. Is that a flash? Well, let's find out. Storm's like almost right above us right now. Not crazy. Why is it black and white now? What's going on with the colors? Now we got a black and white camera. The black and white camera. Gotta get some color, you know? There you go. Woo! Came from that system. Come on. There we go. That's the way to do it. That's the way you do it right there. There you close this. There you close this. And then the human prefers to stay behind. And that one I could feel personally in my chest. And I could get why Belleville's saying that it's shaking their houses. Yeah, there's a few strikes coming from that system, and that system too. But I think it's really, I think it was like mainly right. I think it's like mainly right behind that tree. I thought I just saw a bolt from there behind the tree when that flash happened. It's starting to rain now. Well, I guess it has been raining for a while, but now it's actually like raining. Another big boy. I hope I actually caught that. Okay, yeah. It sounded like it came from over there. I looked away for 1 second. That happens. What? Thunderstorm's done, everybody. Looks kind of bright over there, so ain't gonna lie, she might be done. She does look done. Yeah, I think it's done. Holy. Never trust Mother Nature. It gets bright, but it gets still lightning. Okay, everybody, we got another storm coming up behind us. From Prince Edward County, we got a second storm coming at us. The sky up there by Prince Edward County doesn't look very friendly. But if it does start getting really bad again, I'm gonna head back inside again. But right now, it's marginally bright, so why not, you guys see the clouds to the, you guys can see the third system. Look at that third system right there. You guys can see the pillar clouds coming from it and the actual storm. Pretty darn cool, I ain't gonna lie. And actually, I'm pretty sure of is that those clouds are actually coming from the third system. So yeah, we've already went for this storm. Now we're coming in up on another storm up by Picton. So now we got a second storm coming in, which means more action. Or actually, no. We'll do that in the next video. Okay, so I'm going to wrap the video here. This is Canadian Thunderstorm Part 1, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and go watch Part 2 if it's already uploaded. See ya.